Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. Today we will learn about comparison of adjective. In your grammar book, chapter number 21 is comparison of adjective. Now see here in the first picture. Seema is 1.10 meters tall. Richa is 1.10 meters tall. Now both the girls have same height, right? So in single sentence, if we want to tell something about these two girls, we can say Seema is as tall as Richa. उन दोनों की हाइट सेम है, ठीक है। तो एक सेंटेंस में अगर हम इसको एक्सप्लेन करना चाहेंगे तो वी कैन से लाइक दिस, सीमा इज एज टॉल एज रीचा, और यू कैन से रीचा इज एज टॉल एज सीमा, राइट। इन सेकेंड पिक्चर, Anand is 1.05 meter tall. Geeta is 1.20 meter tall. Now, whose height is greater? Geeta's height, right? So, this sentence you can write this way. Geeta is taller than Anand. Okay? As in the first example above, we use as dash as form to compare two things or people that are equal in some way. As in the second example, we use dash than form to compare two people or two things that are different in some way. अगर हम कोई भी दो चीज़ों का कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं, अगर तो वो अलग हैं तो फिर हम वो एडजेक्टिव ER प्लस देन ये लगाएंगे, ओके। अगर उनका कंपैरिजन जो है अलग अलग है, वो कंपैरिजन में अलग अलग हैं, तो हम सेकेंड डिग्री ऑफ एडजेक्टिव प्लस देन लगा के सेंटेंस बनाएंगे। और अगर कंपैरिजन में दोनों ही चीज़ें या दोनों ही पर्सन सेम हैं, देन वी विल यूज एज टॉल एज एडजेक्टिव एज, ओके। सो वन मोर एग्जाम्पल दे हैव गिवन, Mr. Joshi and Mrs. Patel. Mr. Joshi is 40, Mrs. Patel is also 40. Now both are same, so we will write Mr. Joshi is as old as Mrs. Patel. In the second example, Mr. Ghosh is 45, Mr. Khan is 50. So we will write Mr. Khan is older than Mr. Ghosh, because Mr. Khan is 50 and Mr. Ghosh is 45. Now here they have compared a table and a cupboard. The cupboard cost rupees 2500, the table cost rupees 1800. So we will write, now there is difference in the cost, so we will write the cupboard is more expensive than the table, okay. We say dash than me, than him, than her, etc. Gopi is taller than me, okay. Means when there is difference in the comparison, we will write second degree of adjective and then object, Okay. Now to start first exercise, before we start first exercise, let us read some second degrees of adjective. Tall will become taller, short, shorter, old, older, young, younger, big, bigger, clever, cleverer, heavy, heavier, fat, fatter, good, better, beautiful, more beautiful, expensive, more expensive, interesting, more interesting. Now let us do first exercise. Now here there are 4 persons: Bhaskar, Rahim, Peter, Anand. Now age of Bhaskar is 16, Rahim 18, Peter 16, Anand 14. Weight 50, Rahim 53, Peter 48, Anand 50. Height Bhaskar 160, Rahim also 160, Peter 156, Anand 154. Now see here, Bhaskar is dash Peter, old. Now see, Bhaskar's age is 16, Peter's age is 16, means the age is same. So we will write Bhaskar is as old as Peter. Second sentence, Peter is dash Anand. Now Peter's age is 16, Anand's age is 14. So we will write Peter is older than Anand. Peter is older than Anand, right? पीटर की एज ज़्यादा है तो मीन्स वो उससे बड़ा है आनंद से. रहीम इज डैश पीटर, हैवी. नाउ दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट वेट. रहीम्स वेट इज 53, पीटर्स वेट इज 48, मीन्स रहीम का वेट पीटर से ज़्यादा है. सो वी विल राइट रहीम इज हैवियर देन पीटर. Fourth, Rahim is dash Anand. Rahim, now they are talking about height. Rahim's height is 160, Anand's height is 154. Rahim is taller, so we will write Rahim is taller than Anand. Okay. Next, Anand and Bhaskar. They are comparing Anand and Bhaskar. Heavy means they are comparing weight. Bhaskar's weight is 50, Anand's weight is 50. So we will write as. Anand is as heavy as Bhaskar. Next last, Rahim is dash Bhaskar, tall. They are talking about height. Rahim's height 160 and Bhaskar's height 160. So we will write Rahim is as tall as Bhaskar. Next exercise. Now see here. Make sentences using er than or more than as shown in the picture. Now see here. A giraffe, a camel, tall. Now see here who is giraffe. Giraffe is taller than camel, right? So we will write a giraffe is taller than a camel. We will compare them. Elephant, a lion, bigger. An elephant is bigger than lion. Tiger, deer, strong. A tiger is stronger than a deer. A car, a motorbike, expensive. A car is obviously more expensive. Car is expensive, right? A car is more expensive than a motorbike. Next is a peacock and a cock. Who is beautiful? Peacock, right? A peacock is more beautiful than a cock. Next, a horse, a dog. Horse is heavier, so we will write a horse is heavier than a dog. Next, comparison is between a rat and a cat. Rat is smaller, so we will write a rat is smaller than a cat. A bicycle, a moped. Bicycle is cheaper, so we will write a bicycle is cheaper than a moped. Now see here in the third exercise, rewrite sentences above in the exercise number 2, means all these sentences which we have done just now, using not as, dash as. For example, first they have done a giraffe is taller than an elephant. Giraffe is taller than an elephant. This is a sentence, and now if they want to add not in this sentence, what they will write? An elephant is not as tall as giraffe, means opposite of the sentence. means आपने जो पहले सेंटेंस ऑलरेडी बना लिया है लाइक दिस, यहाँ पे हमने क्या सेंटेंस बनाया है? एन एलिफेंट इज बिगर देन अ लॉयन. ओके, अब हमने नोट ऐड करना है, नेगेटिव बनाना है. देन हाउ वी विल राइट दिस सेंटेंस? अ लॉयन इज नॉट एज बिग एज एलिफेंट. जो लॉयन है वो एलिफेंट की तरह बिग नहीं है. ओके, सेम दिस सेंटेंस यू विल राइट इन सेम वे, एडिंग नोट. अ डियर इज नॉट एज स्ट्रॉन्ग एज अ टाइगर. ओके, what is the difference? Just here you will write not as adjective. No, here you will not use second degree of adjective. Here you will write the main adjective: tall, big, strong, expensive. Okay, you will not use second degree of adjective. First adjective you will use. Okay, main adjective you will use. So this way you will complete this exercise. With this, this chapter is complete. I hope you all have understood how to do all these exercises. Thank you. Have a nice day and keep learning.